ZZ Top, baby. I've said before, whenever you hear a ZZ Top riff, you know it's going to be aight, dog. Look at that, baby. Live from Daryl's house. I really like this channel. ZZ Top, baby. Going to talk about some day trading. What? Blue suit. Because I'm so right, I need to go buy. Okay, here we go. Let's look at Twitter. TWTR. Man, I was right. That's not telling you. That's day trading stuff. Let me go kind of, you know what, I heard this, but every girl's crazy but a sharp-dressed man. Now, this is what most people see. This is kind of the layman view. Let me start here because it's kind of the macro. There's Twitter, TWTR. Remember, my name is Jonathan Fibonacci, and one of my passions, I have many, is day trading. So one thing I like to do is watch the markets. I thought, you know what I'll do is I'll just teach some people. You know, when one person teaches, everybody learns, and I get smarter, you get smarter. And if I can help you make money, then, oh my goodness. Share my knowledge, you make money, it's a win-win. Oh, by the way, drop me some PayPal if you like this content. Share it, or just trade it. You know, one of the things about day trading is it's fun. I mean, I could talk about the risk, and I did yesterday. There's all kinds of risk to trading, but for me, I love day trading. If you love research, you love numbers, you love watching markets, then day trading is probably for you. But I've been trading on and off for 20 years. I made all kinds of mistakes. And I've also had all kinds of victories too, and I just love it. In fact, when I was a kid, I used to watch my granddad. I was raised with my grandparents in a little town called Duncan, Oklahoma. And I used to watch the stock market. My granddad worked for Mobil Oil. And one of the ways that we would one of our activities is we would watch for Mobil Oil to go across the ticker on the news channel. And back then, this was before CNN. So part of my job was to watch from Mobil Oil, and to let my granddad know where it was. So even when I was a little kid, I was watching stocks for my granddad. And I just have always loved the market. So here we go. The good news is I was right. The bad news is I was right because Twitter's down 80 cents. 80 cents. Now, I knew that it was in a 5C wave or a potential 5C. And let me look at this on a daily chart. So we looked at kind of what everybody else is looking at. Here we go. This is what everybody's really looking at. This. Kind of the layman view. There's nothing wrong with that. It's down 80 cents. It's down 4.46 cents to 17.12. The company's run by Jack Dorsey. CEO is Anthony Noto. You tell Anthony Noto that Fibonacci's following his stock and talking about it. Anyway, so I saw this yesterday, and I'm like, that looks precariously like a 5C wave. This strengthening here looks like an AB mode. I know I haven't covered what an AB wave is, but this could be a devastating stock or a devastating position. Now, right yesterday, let me confirm this, trying to film this and do my camera, make these quick and entertaining, but yet educational. So here you go. This could be I knew this was the 5 wave. I mean, it's obvious. Look at that. Now, this could either be the AB, and I'm just showing you kind of some Elliott wave terminology to kind of train your eye, because once your eye is trained how to view Elliott wave, then that's when you learn how to trade. And what I'm doing here is I'm just kind of walking you through how I would look at this. Now, I knew this was either in a 5C wave mode here. Now I'm looking more kind of on a macro view. This is a daily chart. This could be the first part of the AB, but let's just go back to this candle right here. And I knew that we were in a down position. I just didn't know that it was going to drop 81 cents. So I was really, really right. So you better be happy that you subscribed to this channel yesterday, because I told you it's a good idea to short Twitter. Now let me look at this on a 5-minute chart. And what I mean by 5 minutes is now the chart that you're about to see is built upon each candle. That's a Japanese candlestick. Each candle is a 5-minute slice of the market. So this is in itself a little microscopic 5C. Remember, The first chart we saw was a daily chart where each candle was a day. Now each candle, each little tick mark is 5 minutes. This right here is a 5C wave. Now the next lesson is what does a 5C wave look like when it ends? Well, see how this candle here breached that candle, that little hammer? Well, that tells me that this is not down. This is not done. This is not done, because anytime a fourth wave moves past level 2 relative to the Elliott wave rule, there's only 3 hard, fast rules of Elliott wave. Well, there's 3 main rules with Elliott wave. And one of the rules is that the fourth wave never proceeds or broaches or trespasses, whatever word you want to use, past 2. Obviously here, what I'm looking for is it strengthening to a 3 to an ultimate 5, or is it strengthening down here? Well, the fact that this broached 2, I know that this is still, since the fourth wave here broached 2, then I know that it's gonna be in a continual down. So therefore I would short it. Now what I'm watching is I'm watching my 2 waves here. If this stock were to go past 1706, you're like, all right, Fibonacci, that's a lot of Elliott wave, blah, blah, talk. I like ZZ Top, but I don't like all this other shit. Remember, I've been trading for 20 years. Get high, babe. That's what ZZ Top's saying. See, I'm taking a little break. See what I did there? You're like, okay, now I see what you're doing. You're getting real technical because you really hope people can use this channel, make some money, bless their families. I see what you're doing. You're trying to teach us, and you realize that you're getting too complicated. Okay, here we go. Back to Elliott wave. This is a 5-minute chart. See the 5C? Obviously, it's gone down. But the point that I'm making is that it went down relative to the 5C. Now the question is, what's it going to do now? If this stock goes past 1706, it's likely to continue down. So either hold your short positions, or if you're long, I'm sorry that you just caught an 83-cent ass whooping and go cash. But in my view, Twitter's going to look like it's going to continually go down. And that is confirmed when it moves from its existing 1709 to 1706. Would I short that? Yes. I would continue to short it. In short, be very careful of long positions on Twitter. Even on a 5-minute chart, it looks bad. You guys be good. Email me, americano417@gmail.com. Follow me at Fibonacci. If you like this content, drop me some PayPal. If you kind of want some day trading consulting, you'd like me to teach you personally 101, that's a lot of money. If you want to just kind of ask me like a day trading question, you want to know what a Japanese candlestick is, just do some basic research. If you want me to reply individually to, just drop me some PayPal and $100. Nothing would make me happier than to catch a day trading question with a $100 PayPal. How do you PayPal? Go to PayPal, put americano417@gmail.com. That's my email. You guys be good. Merry Christmas. Today is 12/21. Twitter's down 83 cents. Great company. Just having a really bad day as a day trader. I think it's going to continue to go down. Why? Give me the technical answer again, dude. I'll give you a technical answer. Is that we're in a 5C mode. I think we're going to continue to go into a 5C mode. Relative to Elliott wave, 5C modes could be very, very dramatic since it's a short. Hold the phone.